We have gone ahead and issued a weather authority alert day through about 4 a.m. Okay, so we've got the severe thunderstorm watch that is in effect for these areas shaded in yellow. This is a severe thunderstorm watch, again, in effect for portions of the NRV and also for the Roanoke Valley. If you were to kind of draw a line from 220 going from Roanoke over towards Martinsville and points to the west, that is where we have the severe thunderstorm watch. In addition, we do have a tornado warning just to the south of the border. If you're looking at Grayson County, we're looking at an area just to the south and also to the west of Grayson County near Mountain City. This is right along the Tennessee-North Carolina border. So again, what we're looking at here are these showers and thunderstorms that are right along the North Carolina, Virginia/Tennessee border, producing a tornado or potential tornado near Mountain City in Tennessee. This is the cell right here that is actually producing the tornado warning. And right now it's moving east, not northeast. It's moving east at 25 miles per hour, which should, at least for the time being, keep the cell south of Grayson County. But we're going to continue to watch this very, very closely for you here at your local weather authority. Once again, please note that areas in yellow, that is where we have a severe thunderstorm watch for about the next 4.5 hours or so till about 4 a.m. Want to also show you that we're watching a cluster of showers and thunderstorms in Smith County. Areas just to the north of Marion seeing some rain and a couple of embedded thunderstorms. These cells are slowly but surely moving towards Wythe County and should be moving closer to maybe just to the north of Rural Retreat within about the next 10 to 15 minutes or so. Again, these showers and thunderstorms moving to the east at 25 miles per hour. At 2 a.m., it looks like the best chance for rain will be in areas along and potentially to the west of Highway 220. Okay, so areas towards the Roanoke Valley, the New River Valley, and also extreme western parts of Southside. You folks are perhaps going to see the worst of the weather here for the next 2 to 4 hours or so. This is Tuesday at 7 a.m. and looks to be pretty quiet, maybe a couple of leftover showers in the mountains. Then we turn our attention to tomorrow afternoon. It looks like we're going to have a rekindling, a refiring of some hit or miss thunder showers east of the Parkway. So tomorrow, the zone that has the best chance to see a couple of stronger thunderstorms will be south side. Okay, I would say by 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, the showers and the thunderstorms are gone, and Wednesday looks really, really pretty. We're going to see a much calmer day on Wednesday, where skies are going to be partly to mostly sunny, and it is indeed going to be less humid. What we're tracking here, quiet weather all the way really from Wednesday into the weekend. Okay, so later this week, storm chances are limited as we turn a bit hotter. We're looking at temperatures slowly but surely getting close to 90 by week's end, with the heart of the heat arriving this weekend into early next week, where temperatures will be about 90 to 95. Still very warm outside, very humid outside. Temperatures right now in Roanoke 78, 76 in Danville, 72 Blacksburg, it is 68 in Wytheville. As we look at the next 6 to 10 days, really once that heat gets here, it's not going anywhere. Okay, so by late week into the weekend, into at least the first part of the next week, temperatures are going to be way above average. But we're not alone. We've got good company. Much of the country experiencing above average temperatures for the next 6 to 10 days. And once we get beyond tomorrow afternoon, it looks like we're going to have a chance to dry out and see some sunshine from Wednesday into this upcoming weekend. Winds tomorrow about 6 to 12 miles per hour, sustained, gusting about 15 to 25 miles per hour. For the rest of tonight, we're going to have some pop-up thunder showers around. A storm or two could certainly pack a punch, turn strong to severe. And again, we're watching that spinning cell just south of the border in Tennessee. Overnight lows tonight about 67 to 74. 3-day zone by zone forecast showing highs in the NRV 80 to 85. May have the chance for some rain tonight in the highlands, maybe also into tomorrow, but Wednesday, Thursday look dry. In south side, you have the best chance for thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon with highs around 90. In Lynchburg, you're looking at temperatures climbing to 90 to 95 from Friday through Monday. Friday could start a heat wave across the region. And in the Roanoke Valley, pop-up thunder showers tomorrow, but then you're dry Wednesday all the way through Monday. Certainly going to have a chance to dry out and see more sunshine. Today, we forecast a high of 90. The actual high was 87, $10 in the pot, $380 raised for the YMCA of the Virginia's Blue Ridge.